Are you tired of struggling to engage your customers? With SMS marketing, you can build deeper relationships quickly. Imagine sending delivery updates or timely promotions that get noticed. SMS messages are read 99% of the time, making them your best tool. First, grow a compliant SMS subscriber list effortlessly with phone validation. Second, automate texts for every situation, ensuring timely engagement. Finally, personalize messages using AI to truly connect with your audience. ActiveCampaign stands out with its unique all-in-one features. Our SMS marketing tools allow two-way conversations, helping you qualify leads and drive sales like never before. Don't wait! Start your free trial today and transform your customer engagement. Join thousands of satisfied customers and see the difference.